Good morning. This is the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, May 24th, 2021. Motivational Monday. Our motivation for today is that today is the last Monday of the school year. So that is motivation to finish strong and get this year wrapped up. We just have a couple of days left and we are done. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast pizza. For lunch is a turkey sub. Tomorrow for breakfast is Pop-Tart and chicken bites for lunch. There are no birthdays around the school today that I know of. A couple of reminders. If you have anything checked out, textbook, library book, device, anything at all that does not belong to you, we are collecting those, so turn them in. Late duty today is Miss Check. Tomorrow Miss Duberg. Tomorrow is Miss Duberg. And Wednesday is Miss Beatty. Important dates. Tomorrow we have our 5th grade transition programs at 9 and 10 a.m. May 25th we have our also have our end of the year celebrations, and tomorrow afternoon we have our remote student device drop off from 3:30 to 5:30. May 26th, which is on Wednesday, is our last day. It's a half day. We're also having a remote student device drop off from 8 to 11, and 28th is the last day for teachers. Our AR Superstars. It's our last set of superstars that met their goal this last quarter. In Miss Barnes' class, Jace Flemings, Miss Curd, Aiden Henry, Duberg, Brantley Dobson, Logan Millender, Prince White, Kyler Williams, Miss Granger, Rowan Doe, Miss Heichman, Marlene Ramos. The top class is Miss Peralta's class, and the top student is Braylon Curtis. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.